In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Zelle Chase transaction history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to see your sent and received Zelle payments inside the Chase mobile app, how to filter them, and what each status means so you can quickly confirm transfers and keep your records straight. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and signing in securely. Use a trusted connection and make sure your app is up to date to avoid loading issues. Once you're in, look at your list of accounts and select the checking account you use for Zelle. If you have more than one account, choose the one you linked when you first set up Zelle. For most people, that's their primary checking account. At the bottom of the screen, tap Pay and Transfer. This is the hub for moving money, paying bills, and using Zelle. In the Zelle section, tap See Activity. This opens your Zelle transaction history so you can review your transfers at a glance. You'll see a chronological list of your Zelle activity. If you need to narrow things down, use the filter options to switch between sent and received. Sent shows payments you've sent out, received shows money that others have sent to you. Switching between these views makes it easier to find a specific transfer without scrolling through everything. For any payment you want to review in detail, tap the transaction. You'll see the recipient or sender's name, the exact payment amount, the date of the transfer, and the status. Status is especially important. Pending means the transfer hasn't fully completed yet, and completed means it's finished and the money has moved. If a payment is still pending because the recipient hasn't enrolled with Zelle, you may see an option to cancel it. That can be helpful if you need to correct a mistake before the other person signs up. If your most recent transaction doesn't appear right away, refresh the activity page and wait a few seconds for it to update. A quick refresh often pulls in the newest data from the server. Also keep in mind that very old Zelle transactions might not show here anymore. Those can typically be found in your monthly bank statements instead. That's the process from start to finish. Open the Chase app, choose your Zelle linked account, go to Pay and Transfer, and tap See Activity. Filter by sent or received, and tap any item to view the full details. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.